In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam app already running error in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that can be quite annoying, so let's get started with the steps you'll need to follow to solve it and get back to gaming stress-free. First, you'll want to make sure that you exit out of Steam completely. Sometimes it might look like it's closed when in fact it's still running in the background. So go ahead and check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. You might need to right click on the Steam icon and select exit to close it fully. This ensures that Steam isn't running at all before we dive into troubleshooting it. Next, open up Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, A key and ESC on your keyboard at the same time. Alternatively, you could also use Ctrl, Alt, Delete and then select Task Manager from the list. In Task Manager, you'll be able to see all the processes that are running on your computer right now. Once Task Manager is open, you'll want to navigate to the Processes tab. This tab gives you a comprehensive list of all the processes currently running on your system. Here, you're specifically looking for any Steam processes that might still be hidden. Do keep an eye out for Steam 32-bit, or just anything that resembles Steam in the list that appears. When you find a Steam process, click on it to select it. After highlighting it, go to the bottom right hand corner of the Task Manager window and click End Task. This action is crucial as it forces the Steam application to close completely, which is a necessary step to overcoming the already running error. After you've ended the Steam tasks, it's time to close the Task Manager. Just click the X button at the top right corner of the window or press Alt and F4 on your keyboard. With Task Manager closed, you've made sure no Steam processes are running and you're almost ready to relaunch Steam. Finally, go ahead and relaunch your Steam app. Click on the Steam icon in your applications or search for it via your computer's search bar. Once opened, Steam should no longer show the already running error and you should be able to access your games effortlessly. By following these simple steps, you should have resolved the pesky Steam running issue. I hope this guide was helpful and now you can return to enjoying your favourite games without any hiccups. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.